As regards Radhaji's Leela of birth, there are two versions. One version says that she manifested in the house of Vrishabhanu, pretending to have come out of the womb of Kirti Maya, like Lord Krishna pretended to be the child of Devaki. The other version says that just as Sita Mata was found by King Janak in the field, Radhaji was also discovered by King Vrishabhanu. He had gone to bathe, and there he found Radharani on a lotus, and he lifted her and brought her home. Nevertheless, whatever be the Leela, both the versions are correct. How is that? Because Radhaji's avatar has taken place not once, but many times. Nana Bhanti Avatara. So, just like it is said that Radha Krishna in this avatar kal, they relished Parkiya Ras. They were not actually married. And yet there is a Leela in the Garg Samhita of Brahmaji being the Purohit in the marriage of Radha Krishna, which happened in Bhandira Van in Braj. So, Kripaluji Maharaj explained that this referred to a previous avatar. Similarly, whatever be the Leela described by the saints, Radhaji is now a little child. So one day she had gone to play with her Sakhis. The house, the palace of Vrishabhanu was on the hill of Barsana, and by the side were the villages of her Mahasakhis. These Mahasakhis had descended with Radharani to sweeten the pastimes of Radha Krishna in Mrityulok. There were Lalita Ityadi. So, having played with them, Radharani became disturbed because such an event took place during the games that had never before happened in the life of Sri Radha. So startled by it, she came running home to her mother. Kirti Maya was cooking, and Radha was anxious to dump the astonishment of her mind on her mother. So she is tugging, listen to me, listen to me. Mother was busy cooking. She climbed onto her mother's lap and held her chin and forehead. Look to my direction. Maya, listen to me. So Kirti Maya said, Ari Lali, what is going on? Has the sky fallen on your head? Why are you so worried? Kirti Maya is also anxious now. My little Lali, and I have never seen her behave like this. What is the matter? What is disturbing her? Tell me, Lali. So Radhaji now reveals the anxiety of the episode that took place. She said, Maya, I was playing with Lalita, etc. Maya said, you play every day. What is so different about it? Listen, Maya. While we were playing, a Baba came out there. And he had a veena in his hand. Now you can probably start guessing. There are so many Babas, But one is known for a veena in his hand, Narayana, Narayan. Ask the Bollywood directors. But he is the guru of Veda Vyas. So this Baba came there. Kirti said he must have been going. No, Maya. When he saw the group of us little girls, he suddenly became alert and came straight there. So we started looking, what is the matter? But you know what, Maya? He was looking right at me. Now there was Lalita, Vishakha, Tunga Vidya. He was not looking at anybody else. I was thinking, what have I spoilt of his? Radha was seen by Narad there. He did not expect the darshan. Tears of joy started rolling down from Narad's eyes. So Radha says, Maya, that Baba started looking at me and crying. Kirti Maya is wondering, this Baba came with a veena, he must be Devarshi, but why was he crying? Arey Lali, then what happened? So now Kirti Maya's curiosity is aroused. Is that Narad? Is he not? Lali, then what happened? Then Maya, while I was wondering what it's all about, he started taking circles around me. 7 times. And he was chanting my name, Radhe, Radhe. See, Kripaluji Maharaj says, Shwasa jab khincho to ra kahu. Man hi man te Radhe, Shwasa jab chodo to kahu dhe, dhyan bhi karu Radhe. So possibly Narad may have read the Sadhana Karu Pyare. In any case, Narad is such a great devotee. So he's chanting the name of Radha and taking the parikrama. But Radha doesn't understand that he's taking parikrama. She wonders, why is he going round and round? So, Maya, that is what he was doing. And finally when he stopped at the number 7, so I moved back. You know what happened when I moved back? The ground on which I had been sitting, he took the mud from there. And he started eating the mud. This is the Padraj. Narad wants the Padraj. Mahalakshmi wants the Padraj. Sansha Kamala Shaila Putrim Tam Radhikam Shakti Dhatrim Namamaha. The Atharva Vediya Radhikopanishad states that Kamala and Parvati are the ansh of Radha. Yasya Renum Padayor Vishvabharta Dharate Murdhani. This is again the Atharva Vediya Radhikopanishad, whose Padaraj Lord Krishna wants. So if Narad is wanting that Padaraj, what is so astonishing? Maya, then listen what happened. So, what he started doing was, he started doing my balaya. Like you do sometimes, baliyar. So he started looking at me, baliyar. And then, after that, he ate my padraj, and then Lalita asked that, Baba, what is your name? Where have you come from? Instead of answering the question, he did atta ha ha ha. And he went from there quickly as if somebody was pushing him. They say in Hindi, khadedna. Jaise koi khaded raha tha. That is the way he exited from there. See, Narad, when he sees Radha, he has Ashta Satvik Bhav. What is astonishing? Krishna himself, prasade sa dishi dishi cha sa prishtatah sa purassa paryanket sa pati pati cha sa tadviyoga turasya hangho chetah prakritir para nasti me kapi sa jagati sakale koyam advaitavadah. Krishna keeps saying, where is Radha? Where is Radha? Where is Radha? This is their divine Leela. Once Krishna was sleeping in Kunj and Radha came. And she heard from every pore of Krishna's body the dhwani was coming. Radhe, Radhe. Radha thought, Krishna loves me so much. She fainted. So when Krishna came out of his sleep, he found Radha there. And from every pore of her body the sound was coming. Sham, Sham. Radha loves me so much. He fainted. So they kept on fainting turn by turn. This went on for a number of cycles. This is their Leela, and Narad, their devotee, is naturally feeling intoxicated in love. Now Radha ji is completing her narration. She said, Maya, when this happened, I spoke to Lalita and I said, Ari, Sakhi, what do you think? Is he not a madman? Only a madman will behave like this, ha, ha, ha. So she says, is he not a madman? Maya, what do you think? Did I guess correctly that he is a madman? Now Kirti Maya has put 2 and 2 together. You see, what happens in these Leelas is that God forgets he is God. If Radhaji always remembers I am God, then how can she do Leelas? And the devotee knows but also does not know by virtue of Yoga Maya. So when necessary, the devotee is reminded. So when she said like this, now Kirti Maya is astounded. Such a great personality had come. So she said, Ari Lali. Do you know who that was? That was Devarshi. Amongst the Devatas, the saint of the celestial abodes, Narad himself had come. So, Maya, you seem to know this Baba and hold him in good respect. But tell me, does he have some kind of a disease? What? I mean, does he have some hysteria or epilepsy? Something like that? So Kirti Maya thinks what to explain to my Lali. But in the process, Kripaluji Maharaj has fulfilled his objective. To reveal to us in such a rasik manner the greatness of Radha and the sweetness of her childhood pastime. Boliye Kirti Kumari Vrishabhanu Dulari Shama Pyari Barsane Wari Radha Pyari Ki.
मेरे तो आधार है श्री राधा के चरणारविंद।
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 राधा के चरणारविंद, श्यामा के चरणारविंद।
राधा के चरणारविंद, श्यामा
के चरणारविंद
राधा के चरणारविंद श्यामा के चरणारविंद
श्यामा के चरणारविंद
श्यामा के चरणारविंद
राधा के चरणारविंद
राधा के चरणारविंद
मेरे